Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can arrange flowers in the flower bed in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to have flower bed. I have already obtained the flower bed from a quest by Blang. And wait, let me place the flower bed in my house. Okay, this one, I got the small flower bed. And if you want to obtain this item, guys, you can complete the quest or you can go to Blang to buy this item. And then I'm going to place the flower bed here. All right, and then you can click on the flower icon to arrange the flower. You can select the material, and I only have Red Highland Poppy, so I'm just going to put this flower in my flower bed. Okay, I'm going to select Red Highland Poppy flower. Okay. Okay, I only have 4. And I'm going to click on complete, and now it's done. I've already arranged the flowers in this flower bed. Okay guys, and that's how you can arrange flowers in the flower bed in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!